Hey everyone, it's Amber from The Sensible Mama. I realized that this is a weird setup, but I'm trying something new today that I'm really excited about because I'm planning on getting back into vlogging on my channel and I needed a new gimbal to help me do that. So this one that I'm testing out follows me. Check this out. It's so cool. So today is kind of a dual thing where I'm doing a packing video, but I'm also testing out my new technology and I'm really excited about it. You're gonna hear the lighting inside of my office right now because usually I have to turn all these lights off so that you don't hear it buzzing, but it's very dark in here today. It's very stormy in Georgia, so here we are. Today I'm gonna be doing a packing video for you of the, the LYMIA brand Sophie in nylon. Now we're tracking the bag. This is the Nylon Sophie from LYMIA brand. This is the full nylon version of the leather Sophie. This retails for $180 compared to $395 in the full leather version. This is a really great choice for people who are minimal packers, minimal to medium packers, who don't tend to pack a whole bunch, but who want a bag that is going to allow you to bring along everything that you need while still being lightweight and stylish. So today I'm going to show you how I have this all packed up and everything that's inside of it. The bag and pretty much everything I'm showing you today can be found either at thesensiblemama.com, which is my online business, or on Amazon. I'll link all of that down in the description box below. Before we get into it, here's a quick word from our sponsor, which is my business, thesensiblemama.com. The Sensible Mama is an online baby boutique for babies, toddlers, big kids, and moms. Our warehouse is located in Atlanta, Georgia, and we are mama-owned and mama-operated. Our website, thesensiblemama.com, is a place where you can find all of the best-known names in the industry researched by us. We are also the home of LYMIA brand, which is a high-end line of diaper bags, sunglasses, and accessories designed by me with busy moms on the go in mind. While you're there, make sure you sign up for our Sensible Reward program or apply for the affiliate program to start earning money either through cash back in the store or directly deposited to your bank account. Lastly, make sure you're following The Sensible Mama on Instagram to be ahead of the game for all store news and product launches. And with that said, let's get right back into today's content. Okay, I am aiming to be, for the most part, out of the shot for this part, and we're gonna see how well this new gimbal tracks the bag as I move things around, which I'm super excited about. Okay, so again, this is the LYMIA brand Nylon Sophie. If you're new to this bag, I've got a whole playlist full of packing videos and going over the features and functions of the bag. I will have it linked down below. Today we're just going to be strictly doing a packing video. So starting off here in the front, in this first magnet pocket here, I have got my lip gloss, a pen. This is by Welly. This is their glitter gel pens and I absolutely love these. I've got my Welly pain reliever. This is basically ibuprofen. This comes in a Welly kit that has all stuff for adult medical needs, and I just like to toss that in there in case I get a headache. And also down in here, if you guys are looking for headphones and you don't want to buy the expensive AirPods, I got these at Target. I think you can also find them on Amazon. These are amazing little earbuds that I got for, I believe, $29 at Target. They come in all kinds of colors. They pair with your phone super easily. They're comfy inside of your ear and they're small and they have a really great battery life in them. So I've really been enjoying these. I still use them as a backup to my AirPods, but I like these a lot. Next, over in this side zipper pocket, I have got a LYMIA brand coin purse in the color On Point. And this is just packed with my cards and ID and all that stuff. And that was basically everything that I had in there. Next, in this zipper pocket, I've just got a lot of random things in here, but this is what I like about this pocket. It's nice and deep, so you can actually fit a lot in there. And this is just a random assortment here. This is from a Welly kit that is just for kids' medical needs. And here I have got the stomach soother. These are all dosed for children, which is great. Allergy relief and pain and fever reducer. These are little tablets and they're just great. My kids will actually take them, which I appreciate. And then down in here, because this is packed, I guess I should have said up front, this is packed for a toddler who is still in diapers. So in that phase of having a lot more independence, but also still doing diaper changes and whatnot. So in here, I just have a bunch of bandages that I pulled out of random Welly kits that I have around the house. That was an interesting little hello. And that was everything that was in this front pocket. It goes all the way down I'm touching my fingertip right here. So nice deep pocket, which is great for carrying little odds and ends. Over here in the side pocket, I have a Brewmate 5th for water for myself. And over here on this side, I have a few really cool things. First, I have the Bling Sting personal alert system. I also have my Bling Sting pepper spray attached on here. I am, practice discernment about when I put this on my bag, but I have taught my kids that this is something that they have to stay away from, and then I just decide when it makes sense to have it on there and when it does not. Here in the other bottle pocket, I have got my LYMIA brand bamboo case. This is what comes with every pair of LYMIA brand sunglasses that you purchase, and in there I have my poolside aviators, and I just love to be able to keep this in this pocket and pull my sunglasses out whenever I need them and still know that they are safe and protected inside of that case. Now, the last thing I'm going to go over on the outside of the bag is here in the back pocket. So the Sophie, the nylon and the leather Sophies are designed with this hidden zipper pocket down here, which turns this piece of fabric here into a slip pocket for you to slip this bag over your rollerboard luggage if you're going through an airport. But when you don't have this in use, when you just have this zipped up, it just creates an extra little pocket for you, and it's nice and roomy. So in here I've got activities, because I feel like it's just great to be able to pull activities out for your kids while you are on the go, especially if they're getting impatient and whiny. This is by Welly. This is an activity kit that comes with little activity pages and stickers and 2 little sets of crayons. So you can move the top crayon off and put it back down at the bottom, and it reveals the next color there. So you have 2 little sets of those. And then I also have the Jack Bird chalkboard activity kit. I love this little kit so much, and as my kids are getting better at writing, they're loving this too. So what I have in here is the full set of chalkboard pages that you get in this set. As you can see, my kids have been really enjoying these. It comes with like a clock, as you saw here, different shapes for them to trace numbers, letters in cursive, regular letters, and every single page has a blank side on the back. What I also have in here is this set comes with its own little set of 4 dust-free chalk crayons, but what I stuck in here is something that is currently out of stock at our store from Welly, but we are restocking it soon. These are the chalk crayons by Welly. I absolutely love these. They're very highly pigmented. They're just fantastic. My kids love them. So I keep those tucked away in there, but I do also have the little set that comes for free with this package. There's also a zipper pocket up here at the top, but usually when I've got this pocket packed full, I don't tend to put things in here, only because this can be hard to get to when this is packed full. But this is a pocket that goes all the way down to here, so you've got plenty of space for storing other odds and ends there, if need be. So this bag is packed a little differently than any other nylon Sophie I've packed up before, to show you some new things that we have in the store. So I'm very excited about sharing this with you. All right, so here's a little peek at how things look from the inside. In these 2 slip pockets right here in the front, I have got my foldable hairbrush. I like to keep this with me for myself or for my kiddos. Then I have got a pair of light up tweezers. I absolutely love having these with me, especially as I get older. If you're in your 30s, you know what I mean. You just find little random hairs in places that they don't belong. And this has got a little light on it so that you can see what you're doing a little bit better. And I just don't really leave the house without these anymore. In this other slip pocket over here, I have an eyeglass repair kit. I keep this with me for my sunglasses. All of these things that I've showed you here in these pockets are found in the everyday carry category on our website. These are just things that you don't always need, but are good to have with you when you need them. And this is one of those things. If I lose the nose pieces or any of the little gaskets or things to my sunglasses, I can just fix them on the go. You also have a mesh pocket that is right here. I didn't personally have anything in here this time, but often I like to put the change pad that comes included with this bag in there as a quick grab. But right now I've actually got that packed inside of the diapering pouch that's in here. So I'll show you that in a minute. Sitting right on top, I have a LYMIA brand medium piece from the Trifecta. The Trifecta is a 3-piece set that's in full leather, but we do have the nylon version coming at the end of this year. This one is the full leather boss up. The medium piece is a window front here so that you can see what's inside, which makes this really great for my kids. In here, I have got a Simple Dimple by Fat Brain Toys. This is just such an awesome little sensory toy. I enjoy these too for handling my own anxiety. Then I've got just a different little popper in here that we just brought to the store. This comes in lots of cute colors. This is basically the same concept, just slightly bigger and maybe like a little bit more satisfying to pop. Next in here, I've got these 6-count of Tegu blocks. These are little magnetic blocks. If you've got like older kids, these might not be as entertaining, but my kids are 3 and 5 and they can find a lot of fun things to do with these. They can make little creations and whatnot, and it's just the right amount of stuff to keep them busy without losing all of the pieces. And the last thing that I have in here is the puppet show kit from Kitted Kits. This is adorable for the littler kids. It's got everything that you need to create a little puppet show. This one includes a little chicken and a little lizard or dinosaur, and then these little scenes to put them in front of. So you have like a little school, mountains, a theater, things like that. Oh, the planets, and these little stands to put the backgrounds on. You get 2 of those. So again, I feel like the older kids might not have as much fun with this, but if you've got a little kid with you that you're just wanting to keep busy and entertained on the go, I think this is a really fun little kit to play with. And even my 3-year-old Abby really enjoys these. So now we're gonna get into the 2 kind of main parts of this bag. What I like about this is that this really allows you to get into the things that you would need to be grabbing for quickly. So let me just show you. First, over here, I have got an Itsy Ritsy large piece from their packing cube set, and this has got everything related to diapering in it. So in here, I have got an Itsy Ritsy wipes case packed with wipes, the LYMIA brand changing pad that comes with your Sophie. This is a magnetic closure here, so no Velcro, and this opens up nice and wide. It's just a pretty standard padded change pad. 2 diapers, and then this cute little thing. So we just brought these to the store in 2 different colors. This is just a fun little cube. It's probably meant more for littler ones, but I always loved giving my kids just something to make noise and to be very tactile for them while I change their diapers, to keep their hands out of the space that I'm working in. So I like to throw one of those in there as well, just for fun for them during the diaper change. And the last thing that I have in here is the Pixel Plus from Pequeño Pickle Bottom. What I like about this is you can actually leave it inside of the Sophie and be able to just open it up like this and get into it quickly without actually having to take it out of the bag. But for our purposes here today, I just want to show you some of the things that I've got in here. First, I thought this was really cool that this fits. You have to bend it just a little bit, but I've got a full Bumpkins plate in here. This is one of the suction grip plates, so you can actually stick this to the table on the go. And I just always love having one of these with me. In case we find ourselves at a restaurant eating somewhere, I like to use these instead of the, ceramic plates that they usually give you at a restaurant. I also have one of these little reusable silicone baggies, which we have in stock in several colors. And this has just got utensils and reusable straws. I've also got a Pura stainless cup, a bib, and you could really put any snacks in here that you want, but these are the snacks that I had in here for me and for my kids. We don't have any, nut allergies in our house, and my whole family loves these. I've been sharing these all over the place. These are sprouted walnuts by Tenderly Rooted. They are my absolute favorite walnuts, for one, because they're the biggest size. This isn't even one of the biggest ones. I just yanked this one out of the bag. These are absolutely delicious. I have a subscription box that I get of these, and I get one small bag that looks like this plus a 2-pound bag every month, and my family eats it all. Like, we are out of it by the time the next box comes. These are the bold and savory nuts. These taste a lot like trail mix. They're so flavorful and so good. But to be honest, because of the sprouting process of these walnuts, even just the plain ones are so flavorful and taste so good. My 5-year-old and my 3-year-old will eat them. So this is something that I like to toss in my bag because I know everyone will enjoy it. I actually have this brand reached out to me and has given me a 20% off code for you guys if you want to try these or try the subscription box, which I would probably recommend just getting one bag first and seeing what you think. But you can use this discount code more than once. So you can give it a try, and then you can get the subscription if you think it would work for your family. I don't make any money off of that. It's just a code that they want to share with you guys. So I will put the code and the link to their website down in the description box below if you want to check that out. Here's just a peek inside of the Pixel Plus. It's a pretty standard insulated bottle bag and snack bag, and I just really love the way that this fits inside of the Sophie. It just fits really nicely, and like I said, you can open it right up from inside and get to anything that you need. So as I said, this is a packing video for minimal to medium packers, and that is everything. I still think we fit a whole lot of stuff in there given the size of this medium-sized bag here. I did not utilize the internal insulated pockets only because the other things that I had in here were really taking up space. But just to give you a quick overview, you do have 2 insulated bottle pockets on the inside of the bag in addition to the ones on the outside. Plus you have this nice long zipper pocket back here, which is where I tend to keep tampons and pads and things of that nature, plus an extra slip pocket back here. I like to keep, sometimes I'll bring an iPad with me and put that back there, or a book for myself or something like that. And that is everything that I had packed today in the LYMIA brand Nylon Sophie. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. I've had fun testing out this new gimbal with you. I'm hoping that this Friday my upload will be a new vlog. Not sure about that yet. I've got some crazy things going on in my own personal life right now, but that's my hope, is to get a vlog out to you this Friday. Again, if there was anything you saw in this video that you definitely need to check out, the shopping links are down in the description box below. Love ya, mean it always, mwah! And I'll see you in the next one.